Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the hood struts on this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the door. Over here, down near the footrest, there's a little lever. Pull that lever. So the hardest part about this is trying to find the hood safety. It's over in this vicinity over here. What you want to do is take a ruler or a tape measure, line it up with the eye, and go over 9 inches. And then grab underneath there. And then you're just going to feel a little lever. You're going to push up. That's the lever. So when we're removing this hood strut, we're going to want to have a helper hold the hood for us so that the hood doesn't fall and crush our hand or our fingers. But generally, if you were replacing these struts anyway, it's probably not going to be supported, so you'll need someone to hold it anyway. So I'm going to use a pick tool. A curved pick tool is preferable. So down in here, we want to take off the lower part of this hood strut. There's a little notch under here. This is like a spring clip, so we're going to get under here. It's kind of hard to see. Slide it off, just like that. It's easier to slide the bottom part off first. You can use the same pick for the top. Just slide it in here, and then slide it out. And there's the hood strut. Next, we're going to install this. This procedure would be the same on the driver's side. We'll slide it in on the bottom first. And then we can line it up top and just press it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.